Hey everybody, it's your girl Lavina coming back with another cash stuffing video. Yay! So happy to be back with you guys. This is video number 3 of that batch videos I was telling y'all I was gonna make. I had to put a little sweater on. I don't know, I can't see it in the light. So, you know, I wanted to do something. I gotta get me some more of some of those little long shirts and stuff to cover your wrist. I like that. I gotta get some more stuff. Just to, you know what I mean, to be wearing. Get me some hand jewelry and stuff. But you know what? Hey, I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there with y'all. I'm gonna elevate. I'm gonna elevate. All right, y'all, let's get into this budget. Okay, y'all, excuse the noise. Jayden is home today. This is it. So y'all, let's go ahead to the 30th. The 30th day. All right, which was Sunday. I made $113. You know, for me in real time, it was yesterday. So whenever y'all see this video, it was like, nah, just scratch that. Because y'all ain't gonna, I don't know if y'all understand. Y'all might though, hey. I made 113. So let's go to it. YouTube Premium. Is that payment was supposed to come out today? Oh. Y'all, we'll see. All right, so on the 30th, which was yesterday, I skipped. Did I tell y'all about the carnival? $7. Did I tell y'all? I think, yeah, I did tell y'all about the carnival and stuff. Jayden went to the carnival on the 29th. Y'all, I had to get my phone repaired. Okay? It fell and cracked. I had to get $120 out of the rent. Will's supposed to pay me back for that, okay? But he haven't yet. I don't know. He probably gonna just put it on the rent. But that's why that envelope is short. It should have been $892 or something like that. Okay, so that 120 threw me off. All right, but hey, had to get my phone fixed because I can't do no DoorDash or nothing, you know, if my phone broke or make my videos. So Seago Energy got $10. Gas was $20. I used yesterday because I didn't have any that much after I got home from work. And then Aldi, I spent $8 on some chicken tenders and tater tots. And I made Will that for dinner last night. He was mad at me. I don't know. He was mad at me, y'all. He's talking about, you gave me a whole beige plate. I was like, look, I am tired. I was tired. I tried to come in and make you a meal. Hey, I bought it because in my mind, it was like, we're going to have tenders and fries, you know. What did he want? Some broccoli on the side or something to make it a little colorful? I don't know. But your girl had DoorDash and she was tired, okay? Had, no, honey. I'm sorry, but you see I got up and meal prep today. Y'all see that? Well, y'all know it's the same video, so I'm still talking about the same day. But I'm meal prepping. Well, I already did today. All right, so all these we spent $8. Dollar General, I got snacks. They should last a week, the way I'm planning to issue it out. And that was $10. And then I did speak about, on my last video, about Daquan dog food. I got him a bag of dog food and 2 cans, okay? And now we are going to be caught up, y'all. Y'all going to still see the videos late unless I stack them up. But you know what? Because these videos coming out every day for 3 days. It's going to be 3 videos. So next time y'all see me, we're going to be into April talking about our April expenses. Now this is going to be tricky, y'all. I have to make this video. I might make it tomorrow and y'all might get a double video. But This is going to be tricky because after I added up all of my expenses and everything, I do not make enough. We will get into this next month. We'll get into this. But I added up all my bills, not all my credit cards yet. But I don't make enough. So I'm going to have to, I don't make enough for what I estimated I would make. I'm trying to not work as much. But I did estimate some stuff. But my bills, y'all, I'm like $500 extra a month. It looks like I need to be making. So we're going to have to try to figure that out. Okay. So y'all, let's get into this video. We're going to be cash stuffing my thinkings fund. Get some lotion on her. A little money, y'all. Let's get this thumbnail. All right. So today we will be cash stuffing 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. First, let's get our dollar for our $1 a day challenge. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 week worth. Wow. And y'all know what else? We will be getting back to our savings challenges. That $25 challenge, well, it was the 31, is complete, and money, I wanted to save it, but I'll probably put it back. But I'm going to tell y'all anyway, I put it with the rent. I put the, it was 20 left. I had 10 on gas. But I put it with the rent. I don't know why that's not closing. But yeah, I'm going to put it back though, y'all, so I can have it when it comes time for the end of the year. But hey, it is what it is, right? Okay. So, emergency fund will be getting $5. And y'all see it was dry like toast. So now it ain't. Y'all got sugar ants this time of the year. I can't stand them. I'm like, how do you get rid of them? If anybody know, let me know. All right. Let's see. That is going to get $2. And I do have that. Remember I told y'all one of them credit cards took me to court. And I got that payment coming up. I still don't know the name. I got to get that name for y'all. I forgot. I do know which one it is. But I just got to get the name. I'm going to get that for y'all, though. Okay, shopping is going to get $3. 1, 2, 3. Why did I get shopping some money? I don't think that goes to shopping. I think this going to go to car maintenance. Honey. And then we're going to be starting that car maintenance challenge over, but I didn't have enough. And that's why, like on this video, y'all will see, I mean, in my budgeting video, I'm going to get a lot of help on that video. Y'all going to see that I don't make enough money, y'all. Travel is going to get $1. And we're going to scratch this off. We're going to be doing this challenge over. I'm going to color this. Sorry, this is so ghetto. This is so ghetto. But I don't, hey, I need to see I'm starting over. All right. So bear with the ratchetness of it all. Okay? Okay. Let's see. Credit card bill is going to get $1, it says. Transportation is going to get $5. Yep. And then taxes is going to get this hot $1 to start. shoot, I'm about to go, I owe the SBA, and I don't know, I probably need to be saving for my own income tax refund, because they might be getting them. I don't mind. However I can pay y'all off, I'm not going to cry about it, but I sure be saving for my own income tax refund time. Y'all, I definitely will. So let's see. Maybe we can go ahead and keep up and just try to do this, because this video already be. Okay, y'all. So you see my bills. I have my rent estimated to be paid on the 3rd. It might come one of these days though, but hopefully it'll be on the 3rd. All right. I don't have, and then Seco Energy. I had told y'all that I wanted to have at least be able to pay my Seco weekly instead of daily, y'all. I just don't have to worry about that and get it all on the budget. I'm gonna try to work that out, because you know, I just want to work that out. And then I know I said we was gonna go ahead and make another video, but I think maybe I don't want to get too far. You know, maybe we'll just put this budget video into this cash stuffing. So if that disturbed any of you, it is my deep apologies, okay? My intentions was to make a whole separate video. So if you can just bear with me, it won't be that long, okay? So Canva bill is coming out on the 15th. I did get that bill. My Planet Fitness is $27. Now, y'all know what? I'm about to start going. I haven't been in months, and the skin ain't getting no tighter, okay? And also, I'm paying for it. Like, I need to go ahead and start using that. And, you know, health is wealth. So, y'all already see my intentions every Sunday, hopefully, to pay that Seco. But we'll see. Then YouTube Premium is on the 30th of every month. And that's $20. Y'all, I was debating. Like, should I get that again? I don't think I need it, but I really do enjoy watching y'all with no commercials. Now, my Love Savings Journey, it doesn't have, I got 2 channels. It doesn't have YouTube Premium, but my other channel, y'all be seeing me on commenting on my other post, or commenting in the comments under Lavina Hatcher. That's me. That's my other page. Now, that's the one I got YouTube Premium on. And then like YouTube Music, I kind of like that, but we'll see if I keep that this month. I don't know. I do like it. Now here we have my incomes. My part-time job, I'm estimated to be bringing in $900 for this month. Only because, like I told y'all, I don't know if he gonna keep my check for the week in the whole, because he did give me my first one. Oh, excuse me, y'all. And then my YouTube check is estimated to be about $152 this month. And then I estimated $1,200 for the month on DoorDash, bringing my income at $22.53. But I do have a savings goal of savings challenges goal of $150 for the month. Cash envelopes 100 equaling $250. Y'all, you listen, let me tell you, I have no idea what I'm doing. So any critique is welcomed, okay? So that's just what I thought to put down there. And I guesstimated this. I guesstimated all of this, okay? Because, you know, that's just my goal. If I can do more, I will. Because that's why, like I said, if I can do more, I will, okay? And then car note, my expenses. Car note, $600. Insurance, $250. That's minus $850 already. Groceries, I want to save $100 this month at least. Simon Medical, that's what I was telling y'all too. My last year, I still owe them. I owe them $60. I wanted to start paying them, and now they want me to go see them next Monday, which is the 7th, and pay them $140, like to go and get my second my mammogram again. So y'all, we gonna see. And my rent is $11.25. I have a pawn bill of $100 a month. Well, I lost one, y'all, but it's okay. It's all material. I lost one, but I want to keep this one. But I want to really, my goal is to save and just get this out. This stuff been in the pawn, y'all, for like 4 or 5 months, 6 months. It's too dang on long. I almost cussed. All right, me just giving them money. What is this? Oh, outings, $50. We'll see about that. But that's just estimated. Fuel, $200 a month is what I'm guesstimating. We'll figure it out because it's a budgeted and actual. So we will be seeing, won't we? And shopping miscellaneous, I put 100. That could be including well, I guess groceries should have been, but miscellaneous can be for other stuff. But that's how far I got, y'all. We haven't started that yet, but it will be interesting to see how much money I actually make and how can I make more money without killing myself so I can still save. You know what I mean? I want to get ahead. I want to have something in the envelopes. You know what I mean? I don't want to just be working, hand to mouth. And I claim over my life that it ain't going to be that way. It's going to get better. And it is getting better. But looking at my overview, I got some work to do, honey. I got some more money to make from somewhere. Okay? All right, y'all. So see you guys on the next budgeting and cash stuffing video with Lavina. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out if you don't mind. See you guys later. Bye.